Hi, Dr. Chan's Total Recall System. Why will it make revision and studying so much easier for your child? Well, here are a few reasons that I can think of off the top of my head. First of all, it makes revision a lot more fun. Why? Because it shows you how to actually put boring facts, figures and numbers into a more fun way of learning, often by using visuals, because it's far easier sometimes to remember pictures than it is to remember a boring fact. Secondly, it stores it into your long-term memory. It sort of puts it into like a virtual file, if you like, in your memory, a long-term one. So each time you want to remember that particular fact or figure, you just pop that file out and you sort of try and remember it. Because the way that I've done it is this, like my house I used to live in about 6 years ago, I can still remember the first 10 numbers of pi that I learned there, because I can remember making up a little story in the local primary school where my children went to, so I can straight away tell you that it's 1415926535, first number of 10 numbers of pi. How have I done that? Just by remembering some images that I planted in their primary school in my mind. Okay. Another one, if you're impressed with that, I'll just do another one off the top of my head. I can tell you what the first, I think it's 10 or 12 actually, countries to join the EU were. So it's got a bit of a Brexit theme. I can tell you straight away that they were Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, Greece, Italy, Ireland, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Portugal, UK and Spain. And the reason I know that is, again, in the same house I put in the house that time, I put prompts into each room of the house. And that included Tony Blair. That tells you how long ago I learned that memory tip. And he was there with a red cloak while a bull was charging towards him. That reminded me the last two, on the list, which was UK and Spain. The Portugal bit, by chance I remembered as a very expensive a glass of port. That's how fun these memory techniques are. Thirdly, I mean, his memory techniques are cheap to buy. Well, I think they're cheap. And they come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's in the form of a book. If I'm honest, it's not the most attractive cover. It's not the most attractive title. In fact, I get frustrated with the title because it's not just for GCSE. My mother uses these revision tips and she is 80. I've also got my grandson who uses them and he is 7. And he can recite a lot of these things just by using these memory tricks. They're fun and they're easy. And I say more than that, they store them into your long-term memory. So why more schools don't teach these methods, I have no idea. You also get shown how to make important dates stick in better by remembering things like sticky buns to rhyme. And that's how easy these methods are and how much fun they are. And as I say, as well as getting the book, I've also got a playlist designated to Dr. Chan's memory techniques, where I show you ways where I've adapted them and actually learn facts in a different way, including going around a journey around my village, learning all the kings and queens of the Tudor times. I would never remember that off the top of my head. I don't know how many times I've tried, but when I've put them on a journey and I put them outside the local pub and in the bus stops and by the church, I remember them all. I could recite those off, but I won't bore you with them. Just watch my video if you want to see more. I've also got on my videos Elizabeth I on a tightrope balancing to learn all important facts for GCSE history of the Elizabeth I reign. So check them out today. They're on my Dr. Chan playlist. And as ever, if you want to purchase a copy of the Dr. Chan's GCSE Total Recall System, it's reasonable. I say it comes with a 30 back, no quibble, money back guarantee. So you've got nothing whatsoever to lose. You can use them alongside my videos that I've made free for you. What I would say is if you click on the link, I will pop a link in the bottom to his book, but if you click on the link, there is a chance I could get an affiliate commission. But rest assured, you won't pay any more whatsoever for the book. You'll pay exactly the same amount for the book. It's just that the product owner will pay me direct for any sales that go his way due to my videos. Alright, so thanks for watching my video on more tips about Dr. Chan's GCSE Total Recall System. As ever, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell if you want to be notified of any future videos I make for this channel. That's it for today's video. Bye for now.